Hello everyone, let's talk about matching heading first. Then we will talk about some other IELTS reading question types. Matching heading. Here is our question. We have some headings here and then we have 4 questions. Question 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means for question number 1, section A, so we need to determine the title for this paragraph. We need to determine the title for this paragraph from this list. So for example, let's say the answer is this one, a lack of investment in driver trainings. If this is the answer for paragraph A, then in your answer sheet you will write here, in your answer sheet you will write IV. That will be your answer. Okay, so let's move on to it. Let's see what is written in paragraph A. Here is our question, here is our paragraph. Now for question 1, section A. Several years ago someone, okay, when we are trying to identify the list of heading, we don't need these informations, right? We seriously don't need these informations. So they are the physicist and then they have noticed something else, vehicle, gas molecule. So I have a feeling that maybe question number A answer is like how concept of one field of study was applied in another, this type of thing. Why? Because they are physicists and they are trying to solve a traffic flow. Gas molecule, vehicle, maybe I have a feelings right now. Let's check from the second paragraph. The physicist analyst suggested a spontaneous breakdown in traffic flow. Here is the concept from physicist and it is applied in highway or transportation, we could say. So obviously the answer is number 3. This is the answer. For paragraph C, we can see the physicist challenged proposal of maximizing something. Which vehicle are entering smooth out any preventing breakdown in the flow. Directly regulating speed and spacing of individual cars. Sensor that communicate with each car's engine and brake control. So please read this list of heading and I got the answer. The answer is a proposal to take control away from the driver. There will be a system where sensors will communicate with car's engine. So they are losing control. The drivers are losing control here. So obviously the answer is here, a proposal to take control away from the driver. So here is the keyword, take control away. For section D, confession first. Okay, let me confess you something. For this type of question, list of heading, this is pretty newer video for this series. In our another videos, in other types of videos, we will explain more how to answer this type of list of heading. Unless you have practiced maybe 20 or 30 list of heading, you won't get the idea. After practicing multiple list of headings with multiple paragraphs and different styles of writing, you will be accustomed with the answers. Okay, so don't worry if you cannot answer correctly right now. We will figure it out in the entire course. Okay, section D. Research into traffic control by department and skepticism. Some skepticism. Questioned. Indeed, some questioned. So in the first line of this paragraph, it is showing some skepticism. And then question. So this is a disagreement. So you can see there is some contradictory statements. So the answer is area of doubt and disagreement, because there are several skepticism questions. Okay, so answer is 5. Then section E. Aggressive driver. Leveling force. Then the driver psychology. So if it is the driver psychology, then, and here consequently, so from the consequently this word you can see this is the direct synonym for here impact. So I would say the answer is 7. So you can see I'm reading scatteredly. Maybe you will take time, you will read the entire paragraph and then get the idea. After practicing maybe 20 or 30 list of heading, you can read just like me, don't worry. Okay, and we have a dedicated class only for matching heading. So in that particular class I will explain in details how to read like me. Okay, let's move on to the next question type, multiple choice. Here is the question for multiple choice. Which 2 advantages are mentioned by the writer of the text? This is the question. Advantage. Okay, so let's start from here. Maybe here Other skill may increase with age. So this is the clue. Other skills may increase. Like what? Such as an ability to handle people diplomatically. So I'd say handle people. So personal relationship, this one, and then run a meeting, spot problem before it blows up. Spot a problem. So spot a problem, predict area. You know, before, so you can see before here and here in the future. Okay, may cause trouble. So what's that? Blow up. That problem will be arise, right? So this is the direct synonym. So we can see they can predict. They means who? The older employee. Their skill with age increase. Some of the skills, for example, handle people diplomatically. So that is connected to more skilled in personal relationship. Then the second point, spot a problem before it blows up. Spot a problem, predict areas that may cause trouble. So you know, similar type of scenarios are there. Okay. Now, disadvantage of younger employee. I'd say switch jobs so frequently. So it is connected here with do not stay for a long time. And then much better. There, you know, you should understand the pronouns. There means what? There means the older people. How can you know that? You can see this passage starts with older people. So this there is older people. Okay. So older people education standards are much better, which means this one, older workers are in better, well educated. Okay, so answer is C and E. Please try to solve this multiple choice question by your own. Okay.